9 cars that changed automotive design. Every generation leaves behind a few machines that completely change the direction of car design. These vehicles didn't just introduce new looks, they introduced new ideas and entirely new ways of thinking about the road. Years later, their influence can still be seen in cars all around us. Porsche 911. Shapes this recognizable rarely survived for decades, but this one became timeless. The Porsche 911 changed automotive design by proving that evolution can be more powerful than reinvention. While most manufacturers constantly redesigned their cars, Porsche refined the same core shape again and again, and somehow made it even better every generation. Its sloping roofline, round headlights, and rear engine layout created an identity that became instantly recognizable anywhere in the world. It didn't need dramatic styling to stand out. Its proportions already did that naturally. One modern Carrera version is powered by a 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, producing around 379 horsepower and approximately 331 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds, reach a top speed near 182 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,350 pounds. But numbers aren't what made the 911 legendary. The real achievement was consistency, keeping the same design philosophy alive while adapting to changing technology and performance demands. Very few cars managed to stay relevant for this long without losing their identity. And that's exactly why the 911 didn't just influence sports car design. It became one of the clearest examples of timeless automotive evolution. 8. Volkswagen Beetle. Rounded lines and simple ideas don't usually change the world. But this car managed to do exactly that. Its curved body, compact proportions, and rear engine layout gave it a personality unlike anything else on the road. Instead of focusing on luxury or aggression, the Beetle focused on functionality. Every part of the design served a purpose, making the car easy to maintain and reliable for everyday use. It was powered by a 1.2-litre air-cooled flat-four engine, producing around 25 horsepower and approximately 52 pound-feet of torque. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 30 seconds, reach a top speed near 65 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 1,800 pounds. It didn't try to look futuristic or complicated. It simply worked, and sometimes the simplest ideas end up leaving the biggest mark on automotive history. Those numbers were modest, but the impact of the design was enormous. The Beetle became one of the most recognizable cars ever made and influenced compact car design for decades. Curves and comfort had never looked this futuristic before. 7. Citroën DS. Nothing about this car looked normal when it first appeared, and that was exactly the point. This machine introduced advanced technology that completely changed expectations for comfort and engineering. The Citroën DS arrived with a design so futuristic that people could hardly believe it was real. Its smooth aerodynamic shape, covered rear wheels, and flowing body lines made other cars of its era suddenly feel outdated. It was powered by a 2.0-litre inline-four engine, producing around 75 horsepower and approximately 101 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 14 seconds, reach a top speed near 91 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 2,650 pounds. What truly separated it from everything else was the hydropneumatic suspension system. Driving it didn't feel traditional. It felt experimental, almost futuristic. The DS became one of the most influential automotive designs ever created. If this surprised you, hit like, because the next car completely redefines everyday design. 6. Lamborghini Countach. Angles this sharp weren't supposed to work on a car, yet this machine turned them into a legend. Its wedge-shaped body, scissor doors, and extreme proportions made it look more like a futuristic concept than something built for real roads. Before the Countach, performance cars still carried smooth and elegant styling. After it arrived, aggressive shapes and dramatic designs suddenly became the future. Power came from a 5.2-litre, naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing around 455 horsepower and approximately 369 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.7 seconds, reach a top speed near 183 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,300 pounds. But the real impact wasn't just speed, it was presence. The Countach transformed the idea of what a supercar should look like and inspired generations of exotic cars that followed. Even standing still, it looked fast, loud, and completely outrageous. Sharp angles like these didn't just stand out, they changed the supercar world forever. 5. Mini Cooper. Big changes don't always come from big machines. Sometimes they arrive in the smallest packages. Instead of wasting space, it used a clever front-wheel drive layout with a transverse engine. That design approach didn't just make the Mini practical, it made it fun. Its short wheelbase and lightweight body gave it quick, responsive handling that felt completely different from larger cars of its era. It was powered by a 1.3-litre inline-4 engine, producing around 76 horsepower and approximately 79 pound-feet of torque. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 12 seconds, reach a top speed near 90 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 1,500 pounds. The numbers weren't extreme, but the design efficiency was revolutionary. It influenced countless small cars that came later and proved that smart packaging could completely reshape automotive engineering. And that smart simplicity is exactly what made it one of the most important compact cars ever created. 4. Tesla Model S. Electric cars used to feel limited, until this machine completely changed the conversation. The Tesla Model S redefined automotive design by proving that an electric vehicle could be fast, modern, and desirable at the same time. Its clean body lines, minimal front design, and smooth shape gave it a futuristic identity without relying on unnecessary details. Inside, the giant touchscreen transformed how drivers interacted with a car, replacing traditional buttons with a more digital experience that later influenced the entire industry. One high-performance Plaid version uses a tri-motor electric system, producing around 1,020 horsepower and approximately 1,050 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, reach a top speed near 200 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,800 pounds. But the biggest impact wasn't just performance, it was perception. The Model S made electric cars feel exciting and advanced instead of experimental. It pushed the industry toward cleaner technology while also changing expectations for interior and exterior design. And because of that, modern automotive design looks very different today than it did before the Model S arrived. 3. Audi TT. Clean design can sometimes leave a bigger impact than aggressive styling ever could. The Audi TT arrived with a shape that felt completely different from most sports cars of its era. Instead of sharp angles and complex lines, it used smooth curves, simple geometry, and a minimalist approach that instantly made it stand out. Its design looked almost identical to the original concept car, something extremely rare in the automotive world. That bold decision helped prove that production cars didn't always need to lose their creativity before reaching the road. One popular version came with a 3.2-litre VR6 engine, producing around 250 horsepower and approximately 236 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 155 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,200 pounds. But what truly changed automotive design was its simplicity. The TT showed that modern cars could feel stylish and futuristic without relying on excessive details or oversized bodywork. And that timeless simplicity is exactly why the Audi TT still feels modern even years after its release. Its influence spread far beyond sports cars, inspiring a wave of cleaner and more minimalist automotive designs. Subscribe now. The next design shows how simplicity can still feel futuristic. 2. Toyota Prius. Efficiency had never looked this different before, and that's exactly why people noticed it immediately. Its unusual shape wasn't created just for style. Every curve and angle was designed to improve aerodynamics and maximize fuel efficiency. At a time when most cars focused mainly on power and appearance, the Prius introduced a completely different philosophy centered around efficiency and environmental awareness. It used a 1.8-litre hybrid inline-4 engine, producing a combined output of around 121 horsepower and approximately 105 pound-feet of torque. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10 seconds, reach a top speed near 112 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,050 pounds. The performance wasn't aggressive, but that wasn't the point. The Prius proved that smarter engineering and fuel efficiency could shape the future of automotive design just as much as speed could. And because of that, the modern era of efficient vehicles truly began with machines like this. Its influence pushed manufacturers around the world to take hybrid technology seriously. Electric performance wasn't taken seriously until this arrived. 1. BMW i8. Future-focused design rarely reaches production looking this dramatic. Floating body panels, sharp aerodynamic lines, and scissor-style doors gave it the appearance of a concept car that somehow escaped into the real world. What made it even more important was how it blended sustainability with performance. Instead of treating efficiency and excitement as opposites, it used a 1.5-litre turbocharged inline, three-paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 369 horsepower and approximately 420 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds, reach a top speed near 155 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,455 pounds. But the real impact came from its design philosophy. Lightweight carbon fiber construction, aerodynamic efficiency, and hybrid technology all worked together to show where modern automotive design was heading. This wasn't just a sports car trying to look futuristic, and that's why the i8 didn't just follow automotive trends. It helped shape the future direction of car design itself. Looking back at these machines, it's easy to see why they became turning points in automotive history. Their designs shaped the future and inspired generations of cars that followed. Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content like this.